Hello everybody, my name's Steven, I'm with Cannin.com and we're here today for another technical analysis video. This week we're looking at another deep dive into harvest health this week. You'll see it's HRVSF here in the United States on the OTC ticker. Same story that we've seen with a lot of cannabis stocks. Let me zoom out and show you what I mean. Excitement out of the gate, and then here comes 2019. Early 2019, it's up above $10, and then down to $2. And ever since about October 2019 through February 2020, we've had pretty much horizontal markets, a little bit of a breakout there above 3, but not much to see what we were kind of seeing in 2018. Let's just zoom back in on this horizontal market here. You'll see below we have the CCI, the Commodity Channel Index. Again, our ranges of positive and negative 100. Any region above that, definitely overbought. Any region below, oversold. You can see we're oversold now. You can see we had a big above 100 period to enter into 2017 or 2020, excuse me. And accompanying that was a little bit of a jump in the price from about 240 to about 322. So a pretty nice 33% jump there in this overbought period before it came back down. Again, oversold now. We're also using Williams Alligator, which we've seen a couple times before. This is an indicator that combines smooth moving averages. You'll see there's a blue line, which typically people call his jaws, the jaws of the alligator. The red is the teeth, the green is the lips. And so the way that we want to use this is watching for crosses. So you see in this horizontal period where we don't have a lot of pricing movement, the three lines are really close to each other and they cross each other. There's not much happening. They're pretty hard to interpret. But watch what happens with the crossing of this green line past the red and the blue lines now. That's what's called waking up by the alligator. Once he wakes up and then we see this clear pattern, green on top, then red, then blue on bottom, that's a clear buy signal, right? And you'll see it's a little bit lagged based on the pricing chart. And that's interesting. So we're not going to catch most of the trends but out of the gate, but we're going to certainly have a lot of confirmation when those trends are happening. And so let's see what happens if we would have used the CCI breakout above 100 here. The price was about 232, stayed above 100, and then all the way until here. The 6th of January, we had confirmation of the Williams Alligator now that he was waking up and hungry for some profits. And that stayed true until pretty much here when we crossed back below and got this big movement down on the CCI. And that's accompanied by this downward trend. So about, right here is maybe when we would have gotten out of the trade. And you can see the alligator then shuts his mouth and enters the sleepy time again now that he's eaten his lunch. You can see all the lines very close together, hard to interpret, no clear indication. So make sure and watch for a pattern like this. The Williams Alligator definitely lags, but in combination with a momentum indicator can be a good way of confirming your suspicions on when to buy and sell a trade. So harvest health, nothing going on now, but continue to watch these two indicators to see if we bounce back, and in 2020 we capture back some of the gains that we gave away in 2019. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful weekend.